back to my channel. Today I am filming a chatty get ready with me. I know it's been a minute, but I've got some errands to run today and I was doing my makeup anyway, so I figured why not pull out the camera and start recording. To see how I achieve this super easy glam, then keep on watching. I'll start by priming my face with the Milani Prime Shield face primer. I'm gonna work that through my fingers and then just apply it to my face. I especially want to focus it around my nose area. My pores are very bad right there. While that's working its way into my face, I'm going to go ahead and use the Morphe and Jaclyn Hill palette. With this lighter shade here, kind of sweep it all the way across the lid. To do that, I'm going to start with my Morphe M433 brush. Got that all over the lid. Next, I am going into this darker shade here, is what it's called. So it's more of a taupey brown, and I'm just gonna sweep that around the outer corners of my eye. So today's glam is gonna be just super simple. We've got a couple of things to do today. We are going to meet with our potential bartender for our wedding, and we're gonna go over some flavor profiles so that way he can make 2 specialty drinks for Nick and I at our reception. If you guys are in the Reno area, the bar is called the Whiskey Lounge. Super good specialty drinks. I have never had, ever had anything that tasted so scrumptious. It's amazing. One of the drinks that I had, it was called Apples to Apples. It tastes exactly like an apple pie, and when they give it to you, there's a cinnamon stick and he just kind of lights it on fire, hands it to you. Amazing. It smells awesome. Even if you're not someone that's into like super fruity drinks, there are some other ones, just like a Manhattan. Very delicious. I'm just a whiskey lover, so if it's sweet, if it's bitter, if it's just straight tastes like whiskey, I'll drink it. It's definitely a place that I recommend everybody should try out. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is use Power Cut, this shade here, and I'm just gonna dab that all over the lid. And for that, I will be using my Morphe E10 brush. It's just a flat head here, tap into this color, and then just lightly tap it all over my lid so I can get a nice little sparkle there. Aside from meeting with our bartender, we also have some friends to meet up with a little later. We are going to be attempting an escape room. I'm super excited. This will be the second time that I've ever done one. First time, I was a little under the influence. I wasn't a big help. I kind of just stood there, walked around a little, and I was like, what's going on here? So it's definitely, I mean, not saying that you can't go tipsy or anything like that. I just was not a big help. And from what I've been told by our friends, we're going to be doing a haunted escape room, so I'm really excited to see what that entails. If you guys are like, wow, her eyes are really red, it's because I slept with my contacts on. I know you're not supposed to do that. I did it anyways. Woohoo. What I'm going to go ahead and do is use my Morphe liquid liner, attempt to do a wing liner, and then I'm also going to put on these false lashes here by Lashaholic. It's called Instaglam. Here we go. Fingers crossed that I can go ahead and do this wing liner without fucking everything up. And we're back. Okay, so I went ahead and did my liner. I cleaned up the wing with a little bit of concealer underneath just to make it a little more sharp. And now I'm going to get my lashes prepped for the falsies. Looking good. Just waiting for my lashes to get a little tacky before I put them on. Let's see, what else is going on today? So I already told you guys about our bartender. I told you guys about the escape room. Ooh, so I'm just super excited for fall. Who else is with me on that? I'm ready for candles. I'm ready for sweater weather. pumpkin spice latte, salted caramel mochas, just everything that comes with fall, I'm ready for it. Nick and I had actually been talking about throwing another Halloween party this year. We didn't do it last year, but the year before that we threw one and it was super fun. We made jungle juice and everybody got lit. We were really thinking about doing that again this year, and we had decided this morning that we want to go with an it theme. I hate clowns. Clowns really scare me, but that's what Halloween's about, right? All right, one's done, on to the next. My eyes, for the most part, are finished. Not for the most part, they are finished. My eyes are done. Now I'm gonna move on to the rest of my face, and I'll be starting with foundation. I went ahead and changed it up. I was using the NARS foundation, and now I'm using Too Faced Born This Way. And I am in the shade Natural Beige. Sweet, so we are all set on foundation. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and conceal the under eyes using my Tarte Shape Tape. I could honestly go a shade darker. Now that my under eyes are bright as fuck, I'm gonna go ahead and contour using my Wet n Wild Mega Glow contour palette. Use my Morphe R7 fluffy brush. And just contour right around the cheek area. Put some color back into my face after using that concealer. Also do like to bring that right around the forehead area as well. Did I fuck up my hair? Just a little bit. For today, I think I'm gonna go with summer. Also, I'm going to bring that all over my chest. Just look at that. Ooh, ooh, ooh. For my lip today, I wanted to go ahead and use my Kat Von D liquid lipstick. I honestly don't know what this one is called, and let me tell you why. My dog chewed it. Alrighty guys, this is the finished look. Thanks for hanging out with me. It was nice getting to catch up. I hope to, I know I always say this and then I end up waiting like a month between to post another video. I hope to record another video pretty soon. But let me know what you'd like to see. Let me know if you're interested in more vlogs, more makeup videos, and I will see you on my next one. Bye. Milani. Born. If you'd like to see how I got the wow.